Okay.
All right, let's go ahead and put the word out. We live, man. We live. Let everybody know. You got a chat pulled up too, bro?
Yeah, the definition, yeah.
Oh no, I said the chat.
Oh yeah, and put it up on my phone.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's a good way to do it too. Yeah. What's good, everybody, man? Welcome back to Stock Plug Investments, man. Appreciate everybody that tapped in, trying to get some game, man. We here to teach y'all how to not look for a stock pick or somebody to give you a stock to pick. We want to teach you how to become a stock plug and you be able to tell people what stocks to buy. You know what I mean? So that's why we're gonna teach this charting. We're gonna give y'all the game, teach y'all terminology and everything, man. So you all can win in the stock market like we've been doing and so many others been doing for real. So if you can see the title, today we're gonna be talking about investors and traders and which are you, because they completely different things. And we're gonna definitely get into that, the difference between being an investor in the stock market or an investor or a trader in the stock market. But before we get into that, man, if y'all appreciate the knowledge we gave y'all last video, or if y'all get any knowledge this video, make sure y'all like the video, man. We trying to beat the YouTube algorithm, man. And
hit that bell notification so y'all know when we go live, man.
Mm-hmm.
They come right to your phone notification, let y'all know whenever we go live.
Yeah, man. We trying to beat that algorithm, man. The more likes we get, the more people that get out to, the more people we educate, the more people that win, man. That's the goal.
For sure.
Man, because a lot of people think the stock market out to get them, man.
Yeah, for real, man.
We just talk about that.
It's really not, for real.
Yeah, we just talk about that, man. So, yeah, man. I think like one of the first things everybody need to know, man, is what type of investor or trader they are, because that help you get a roadmap to like what you're gonna do in the stock market. Investors in the stock market don't do the same thing that traders do, and we're gonna break that down in this video and in the next video. This video we're gonna talk about what an investor do and what exactly is an investor, and on the next video we're gonna hit y'all with that's gonna be on what traders do and how they trade and how to make money in both realms. So, let's go ahead and get into it, man. If y'all got any questions, go ahead and send them in the chat. We'll read them off and we'll get to that too. But yeah, go ahead and tell them about what an investor is, bro.
All right, I'll get it going. All right, so what is an investor? An investor is any person or other entity, such as a firm or mutual fund, who commits capital with the expectation of receiving financial returns. Investors rely on different financial instruments to earn a rate of return and accomplish important financial objectives like building retirement savings. That's basically what I'm doing. Funding a college, education, or merely accumulating additional wealth over time. So sum that up what an investor is for them, bro.
Definitely. So like the definition said, man, an investor is somebody, it could be a person or a business, and basically what they doing is they putting money up so they can expect a return in the future. That's exactly what it is. We're going to put some money up and you expecting to receive financial gains in the future. You know what I mean? And when they say the different type of financial instruments, that can be, stock market. That can be houses. Real estate is a financial instrument that you can invest in. Gold, commodities such as gold and materials and stuff. That's a financial instrument that you can use to, invest in and make you some money. You got any other different instruments that I might have forgot, bro? I can't think of. I know it's a lot more. It's a lot.
You said stocks, gold, real estate. Yeah. Bonds. That's also an investment.
Instrument that you can get return on for sure.
It's plenty of different investments. You can invest into a small business.
Facts.
I do.
Yeah, you could be an angel investor. Somebody was talking to me about that today. That's
Yeah,
another, way you can invest in something and expect returns in the future. So
you
that's
can
what an
invest in
investment.
yourself. You want
There
to be
you
a
go.
YouTuber, get you a camera. You can invest in your health. Health is
Yep.
wealth. Go
That's
to the
facts.
gym. You know what I'm saying?
Facts.
Get
That's
your body right.
knowledge. That's an
Yeah,
investment in
yeah,
yourself. You know
yeah,
what I
yeah.
mean? And it's
Everybody that's
long
watching this
term.
video right now, this is an investment right now. Y'all
Yeah,
investing your time to let us explain the stock market and the ins and out of it to
yeah.
y'all. So I
And you
appreciate
learn.
y'all for tuning in too. But that's an investment as well. Like,
Yeah, you better in yourself. So that's an investment. You getting something out of that.
yeah,
That's
over
your
time.
return right there. That's your
Yeah.
return. You becoming a better person. So let's talk about how investing in the stock market is different from being a trader in the stock market. So the next video gonna be about trading, but I give y'all a brief, interlude on what the two is. So an investor is somebody that buy a good company and they hold it for years. You know what I mean? They going along for the ride. You know what I mean? They see a good company, they know it's a good business idea. They know
Yeah.
they can see that in the future, everybody gonna be using this. Like they want to use it, you know what I mean? So they're like,
Yeah.
okay, well, let me buy this while it's cheap. Let me catch it now. And I'm gonna hold this for 5 years. I'm gonna hold this for 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, and see where the company go by then, and then I can cash out. You know
Yeah.
what I mean? That's what an investor is, a long-term hold of a stock. You know what I mean? So the reason why that's different from a trader is, investor is long-term and a trader is short-term. So a trader, you know, they can do a trade in 10 minutes and make some money. Bro know about that. He did that
Yeah.
today in
Yeah,
minutes.
definitely, man.
The
Man,
last
one of
10
my
minutes.
long term investments start reversing too, man. That Nikola,
Yeah.
I'm real bullish on
Yes,
that, man.
yes, yes.
Like
That's it.
for
Hey,
real,
don't
man.
get too, hey, we ain't dropping too many tickers, man. We just got
Yeah,
too many
I
tickers.
had to though. I
I
had
know,
to,
right?
man. Like
That's a good
I had
investment.
to.
Hey, and the
It been a
trade you
lot
did
of
the other
bullish
day.
people on Nikola, man.
Yeah,
He finally reversed on him, man. It's starting to go crazy,
it
man.
is. It is. I need to
That's
get
a
in
long
there.
term right there, man.
It
I was
is.
just kept averaging down on it. We told y'all what averaging down was. Just
Facts.
keep buying it as it go down. You averaging your initial investment down.
Mhm.
You know what I'm saying? Like I'm just averaging down on it. Now I'm up on it now.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
that's an
Now,
investment right there.
and you gonna hold it for how long, bro?
And I'm planning on holding that for the next 10 years. So,
Facts. Facts, because they
so
gonna be they competitors to Tesla.
yeah,
Like,
well, I ain't gonna no, they
I mean,
really
not
not. They competing with diesel, like the diesel industry, like diesel
okay with
trucks.
the hydrogen, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like
Yeah,
they basically they want to battle with like companies that carry a lot of different weight, like Bosch, for example. You know, like the Bosch beer,
yeah.
or
Let's not get too
like
long. Let's
just
not get
different beer companies as they
yeah.
transport, and the beer is so heavy. So that's hydrogen is actually cheaper to fuel the truck rather than
Right.
diesel, and it's more fuel efficient, uh,
Okay.
uh, environment friendly too as well. So
Yeah. Let me
yeah,
tell you why they're gonna rival Tesla is because Tesla coming out with the semi though. That's why.
that's the
But
one thing.
yeah, let's not get too deep into
Yeah,
that. That's another episode. All right, so back to trader, bro. Trader is short term, bro. Like you can make a trade and be in and out of a trade in 10 minutes and be profitable.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
You can buy a stock or a stock today, it do a $5 move in one day and you sell it. That's a trade. You can do it in 2 days, 2 weeks, whatever time frame, but it's not long term. You're not holding it for a year or better. A trade is real short term or whatever. So, or a swing trade, that's about a few weeks or a few days. But that's the complete difference between an investor and a trader. And the reason why we say you need to know which one you are or which one you want to be is because they do different things.
Yeah,
You know what I
you
mean?
gotta know the
They
difference.
got completely different options, completely different entries into stocks. They sell at different points. You know what I mean? They take profits at different points. And it's just a different game, you know. So that's key to knowing, where you're gonna put your money up. So
Yeah,
we definitely recommend that if you knew, you know what I mean, and if there's some few people in here in the chat, can y'all put how many years y'all been investing? Like, if this your first year, just put a 1 in the chat. You know what I mean? If it's your second year, put a 2 in the chat or whatever. We just want to get a feel for like how long the typical, people that's watching been investing. Because
But
if
I'll
you,
tell y'all how long I've been investing in. Going on 5 years now.
yes,
40
sir.
years solid.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Going on
sir.
5.
Yeah, and I'm touching 6. I'm
Yeah,
touching
yeah,
about 6 because I got bruh in the game, man.
yeah, definitely.
But yeah, if you're a beginner, man, we definitely recommend that you start off investing, man, because you want to get into something and hold it for a long term so you can learn the game.
Yeah,
If you're a trader, it's easy to lose your bread being a trader if you don't know what you're doing.
yeah,
So if
especially
you
shit. You don't know what you're doing, man.
facts. So
Sure.
what I mean, you lose money fast. So if you an investor, at least you can buy in at a good price and just hold that for years and see what type of money, what type of returns you get. You can
Yeah,
make a lot of money in a year or 2 years with these stocks for real, especially if you buy a nice amount of them. So in that time that you're making money in that year or two, you can learn the game. You can learn how the stock market go up and down, and it's not just no rocket ship to the moon. You know what I mean? Every day the stock is up and down. It's never just gonna go straight up.
yeah,
It
for
just
sure.
don't work like that. That's one of the rules of the game. It don't just go straight up. It's gonna go up and down. But you learn this, you get to experience this and be like, oh, this is how this stock move. And you know what I mean? You get that history with it, and that's how you can start perfecting trading that stock. You know what I mean? So you making money and you learning in the long run. And then once you get proficient, we teach y'all how to chart, how to, read charts, how to know when to get into a trade, get out of a trade. Then you be like, oh man, I didn't watch this stock for the last year. I know exactly how it moves. It typically go up this much, it typically go down this much. Boom, it's gonna hit this line and it's gonna go up. All right, I can buy right there. And I can watch it go up and sell that resistance. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
That's when you evolve to the trader. When you learn, through investing how the stock moves. You know, you want to learn how the stock move and get that experience in the stock market because ain't no such thing as time in the market, man. Like ain't nothing better than having that experience in the market. Even if you lose your bread, at least you learned something. You know what I mean? And it ain't no L, it's a lesson.
yeah,
It ain't
yeah,
no L, bro. It's a lesson, big dog. So take that lesson and then move on to the next one and learn how to become profitable because it's definitely possible, man.
definitely is. Make sure y'all like the video, man.
Yeah, yeah.
We giving gems right now, man. For
Share this with
sure.
your friends, man. You got some friends that's interested in the stock market. They new
Yeah,
to investing. Send this out to them, man. We still gonna be live for another maybe 10, 15 minutes. Get them in here, man. Let them get this game on. Let them know. Let them figure out if they're an investor or a trader. You know
yeah.
what I mean? An investor gonna buy Tesla. An
Uh,
investor gonna buy some dividend stocks like with some Coca-Cola,
yeah.
Pepsi, you know what I mean, General Mills. These are dividend stocks. Johnson and Johnson companies that ain't been,
These are companies like we use, really.
yeah, yeah. And
Like, why
these
not invest into a company that you use? Like, come on,
facts,
huh?
facts. And these companies just showed that they making money every year, and they stock
Yeah,
price going up every year.
yeah,
You know what I mean? So as an investor, you want to buy cheap and hold it for the long haul. You know what I
yeah,
mean? An investor gonna buy good companies cheap. If it's a good company, it's gonna be around for 10, 20, well, not 10 years, cool, but is it gonna be doing good for 10 years, 20 years, 50 years from now? If you feel like a company that's like that, then you might want to invest in that company. Buy it now, hold it for as long as you want. Buy for your kids. You can buy stocks for your kids.
yeah.
And what I mean, if you believe that right now the company new, but 10, 20 years from now, this company gonna be a big cornerstone in our livelihood, how we move every day and all that. You know what I mean? Buy it for your kids, put it in your kids' account, called a
Yeah.
custodial account. You can put it in there, buy it cheap, and just add on to it every now and then. And when they turn 18, they get that account. And
Tesla.
you know what I mean? Yeah, Tesla.
Like,
You get them
that's the
Tesla.
future, man. That's
Yeah,
the
Tesla
future.
gonna make them. Oh my God,
I
Tesla.
just seen something. Hey, they talking about Tesla is helping the power grid with like supplying power. to the
Wow.
US. Like that's
Wow.
huge right there. Like
Yeah.
my bad to cut you off, but
That's
you know,
deep. No,
Tesla, like that's
that's
for the
valuable.
kids right there, man.
That's yes.
10, 15 years they just holding Tesla, like, and they
That's a good
constantly
investment.
making money. Like they're a billion-dollar company already. They only been in the game about 10 years, like not
Yes.
even that, like
They passing companies that's been around for 30, 50 years, bro.
yeah, right.
Like
The
Tesla stock is
valuation,
like 300 times the price of Ford.
man, for
Ford's
real.
at $12, bro. Tesla's at
Right. Both US companies, US based companies.
630. Yeah, Tesla at 630. Yeah, but I was trading it today. But yeah, man, investors, man, they buy good companies when they cheap. That's
Yeah.
one of the rules, man. Because it could be a good company all day, but if you bought it at a bad price, it don't matter. It was a good company because every stock comes down. So
Yeah.
you want to buy it when it's down, and we're gonna show y'all. We're gonna show y'all when a good company is down. We can do some examples of that in a little bit. Matter of fact, yeah. Let me show them that real quick, bro. Let me show them like a good company that took a big fall, and if you
Sure.
bought it at the bottom, it would have made you some crazy returns already. You know what I mean? Because that actually got to do with our quote today. We're gonna get y'all that after the class though, but that's important. But yeah, man, investors buy good companies, Nike, Tesla. You know what I mean? What else? One I got my eyes on is Chewy. You know,
Oh
they
yeah.
deliver pet food
That's a
and
good one
supplies.
too.
You know what
Yeah,
I mean?
like
They
cause
like
don't
the
nobody want to
Amazon.
carry 30 pounds of dog
Yeah,
food from the store
yeah,
to their house. So they want it to get
bruh.
delivered. Like and Chewy.com.
Big
That's a
bread.
good stock right there
Bruh,
too.
bruh. I remember last year it IPO'd at $30, bruh. Guess where that
Mm,
stock is at, bruh?
I don't even want to know, man.
Chewy is over $100, bruh.
Mm,
In a year, this stock then went up $70. I had shares in
funny.
Chewy. I had shares in
I
Chewy.
remember looking at it, man. I was scared to get in it because it was still like a new company.
It
I didn't
was
really know
new,
if they was
yeah.
like
Now,
profitable or like that.
now
So
it's out of here. You share you screen. Oh,
yeah, I gave you the
yeah. Let me show
oh,
y'all. Let me show y'all my screen real quick. All
pull it right up. It should. You
right, so
can.
we're gonna look up Chewy because honestly, if I'm being real, I got faith in Chewy being around for the next 10 years off top. That's just what I feel. Let me see if it had a major dip. Oh, what's that 75 now? It's at 75 now. But it hit 120. Look at that. Boom, that boy went to 120 right here. 52-week high, 120.
Yeah, that's ooh. Let me pull up my
120.
portfolio right quick.
That boy taking the dip, man. This is a good company. You know what I mean? And it's right now it's just down. You know what I mean? All companies do this. They're not gonna rise forever. Look at that run on the monthly chart. Look at that run, bro.
Yeah.
These is monthly candles, bro. It ran all the way up. And now look at it coming down. It's at the bottom of the channel. This boy ready to buy. Oh,
Yes,
bro.
sir.
I'm about to buy something today, bro. I'm not even lying. I'm putting this in my portfolio, bro. This is not financial advice. We are not no fiduciaries, bro. This is just knowledge and game, fam. Chewy is a buy, bro. This boy hot. Hey,
Oh, rip.
I'm definitely about to get Chewy. But look, let me show y'all, man. Let me show y'all something, man. So this is the monthly channel. So the stock want to move up and down in this channel up top. So that's what it did. This on the monthly chart. Let me show y'all on the day so y'all can really get a glimpse of how it moved up and down this channel. Look at
Oh
that.
yeah.
You know what I mean? Broke out. Hold on, let me make this screen big for y'all. Let me stop playing. Boom. Big dog screen. There we go. All right, look at that channel, bro. We can even adjust it too. I did this probably when I wasn't that good at trading. Yeah, no, I was just capping. All right, but look, that channel, boom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top,
Yeah.
top again, bottom. You know what I mean? It followed this channel, bro. That's how these stocks move. So look, it broke out the channel. Now it got to come back to the channel. Rule to trading. It got to come back to the channel. Look at it. That's what it did. Went all the way back to the bottom of the channel. This is a good company ready to buy. Look at this, bro. Get that out of here. Boom. Hold on. I'm about to, bro. This is exactly what I do when I'm ready to buy stock, bro. I do my due diligence. This is called due diligence. You look at the stock, you look at the stock, look at the chart, see what's going on. Boom, it's out of its channel. It gotta go back to the channel, y'all. It just hit support. Look how this is being supported heavy. I'm gonna make this big.
It's going back to the 80s.
Yeah, I'm turning it red. Look at that. Oh no, that need to be green because it's support. That's green. That means it's gonna bounce off of it. Boom, look at that, man.
Mm-hmm.
Look how these candles is respecting this line right here. Like, you know what I mean? And if I'm being honest, okay, yeah, that's like good support right there. That's good support. You know what I mean? It's being respected, heavily. And it's at the bottom of the channel. And it broke the down trend line that I drew. I already had a down trend line on it, bro. That's what this is right here.
Oh, yeah.
I already had this up. Look at that. It was respecting this downtrend line. It ain't want to get past it. Boom, kept falling.
It's about to go back to the 80s.
Look, it finally broke the channel. Oh my God, bro. This was meant to be, bro. I'm definitely about to hold this for the next 5-10 years. Bro, it's going here. Look at the channel, y'all. Look
130.
At the channel. Don't say I ain't tell y'all, bro, but I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a fiduciary, bro. This is just knowledge, this education, this entertainment. Look at this channel, bro. It can go all the way back right here by October 2021. It could. Not saying it will.
140.
It can go to 140, bro.
140. Hey, look at their earnings, though. I just peeped their earnings on my phone. They didn't beat earnings the last 4 times. This is a good company.
Good company, bro. It's definitely a good company, man. So look, we about this while it's down. This is a good company that we know gonna be around 10 years from now because pets ain't going nowhere. Everybody ain't trying to carry these 50-pound bags of dog food.
Yeah.
Cat litter.
Hey, especially if you got a few dogs, though.
Yeah, they be having 50 cats.
You gonna need it every month. Like the bigger your dog is, the bigger your dog gonna eat.
So definitely a good company. So look, you buy it when it's distressed. This is a sale right now, y'all. This item or this stock costed 118, 120, bro. It tapped 120. This is a discount. You don't buy it up here at the top. We don't buy it up here, bro. We buy it down here at the bottom.
That's why I went back down. A lot of investors and traders probably seeing this chart and seeing that it was on this channel. So they said it's not a buy right now, it's a sale. They sold it. It went back down inside of the channel and broke back up outside of the downtrend.
Ready.
It's on the way back up, man.
Ready, big dog. Now look, we talked about EMAs real quick before we close out. Real quick, look at the EMAs. Look at
pull up that EMA
on the daily, bruh. It went all the way down to the lowest EMA, the 200 EMA. If you catch this move on a good company, you buy it every time.
Yeah.
Every time. If it's at this red line, it's 200 EMA. If
whenever
you buy that.
Bro, explained that to y'all in the last video, man. Whenever you break that 200 EMA, it's definitely a buy because 200 EMA is the hardest EMA to break through because it's in 200 days.
Look at it, bro. Look. It hit it the first time. Boom. Nope.
Yeah, bounce right back up.
Boom. Yeah. Nope. Boom. Nope. Finally, we're gonna go down.
Yeah.
Bro, like you could have made money all through here. Traders will make money right here.
Yeah.
Buy right here, sell it right here. Buy right here, sell it right here. That's what traders do. You know what I mean? But you got to learn these technicals so you can do that. Right now, we're going to hold it for the long run, bro.
Yeah.
We're going to buy down here at $75, and we're going to catch this move, a 2X, all the way to 140. Who ride with me? Because we ride, bro. I'm buying Chewy tomorrow. This is not financial advice. I'm not a fiduciary. It's all love. We just want to teach y'all how to do this and find these stocks yourselves, man.
Yeah.
Become a stock plug, bro. We stock plugs already. We showing y'all this ready to buy. This is a good company. We know this is going to be around 10 years from now. I'm buying this. You know what I mean? I'm not going to hesitate. I did my due diligence. I know what's going on. It hit the top, and now it's on its way down. It couldn't break this downtrend line, and it finally did. It finally did. So I'm ready to get in. This is what traders do. Boom. This is a good episode today, y'all. This is a real good episode, man. I'm gonna leave it like that. Make sure y'all, if y'all got some value today, man, make sure y'all hit that like button. You tell your friends about the channel. You subscribe to the channel. You hit that notification button for sure. You Stock Plug Investments. You know what I mean? We here
coming out with some more merch real soon, man.
Yeah, man. Don't forget, man. You know what I mean? We trying to give y'all the game so y'all ain't got to look for somebody to give y'all the game or y'all ain't got to look for a stock pick. Y'all ain't gotta look for somebody to tell you what stock to buy, man. We want to
Yeah.
show y'all how to do exactly what I just did. I just
Yeah.
found this stock that I've been waiting to come down here. And
Yeah.
luckily, because of y'all, I found it before it was too late. It broke the downtrend line the last 2 days.
If y'all
That
watched the last, yeah, and if y'all
was
watched
tough listen.
the last episode, y'all know what all these lines mean.
Yeah,
We explain everything from the jump, like
facts.
how you invest in the stock market. So if y'all don't know what these lines mean, tune into the last video. Y'all know what that is. That's the EMA right there, 250 and 100, 200 EMA right there.
And May too, man. But look, man, we gotta get up out of here. We don't want to make these videos too long. You know what I mean? Appreciate everybody that tapped in. We about to start. I'm gonna tell y'all now what I want to start doing is on IG. We're gonna start going live and like people giving out tickers, and then we're gonna do this with tickers, man. We want to, you know what I mean? If you got a stock that you feel like you want to get in, you feel like it's a good company, we're gonna go on live and we're gonna show y'all like what we see in the charts, show y'all how to find these good companies, man. We want to teach y'all to be stock plugs, man.
So
Be stock plugs, man. Don't be looking for somebody to tell you the game. Let me give you the game so you can tell somebody else the game, man. That's what this about, man. It's nothing but love, man. Appreciate everybody that tapped in for sure. Man, I can't believe we thought about Chewy and I just popped up like that.
yeah.
Hey man, hey, it's on y'all, man. Hey, that's what's up, man. Let me go look at this. I'm ready to buy. Hey, close this out, bro. I'm ready to buy something,
For sure,
bro.
for sure.
You got some buyer power. I'm ready.
For sure.
Let's get it.